It's very important to complete the installation of your internet security software. So let's get you started with Total Defense Internet Security Software installation. It's fast and easy. And yes, totally essential. Follow the simple steps in this video to 1. Log in to your Total Defense account. 2. Download the software. 3. Install the software. First, you're going to log in to your Total Defense account. Please be sure to log in from the device you want to install the product on. Go to totaldefense.com. Select My Account under the Account drop-down menu. Enter your Total Defense account credentials. If you forgot your password, we have a link for that. Click the Login button. Now it's time to download your software. Click on the Download button for your product. Then choose the platform you're working with: PC, Android tablet and phone, or Mac. When you click the button, the software will start to download. Save and run the download file. Allow time for the program to download and extract. Okay, it's time to install your software. Click Install and allow time for the product to install. Then, click the Finish button. Allow some time for the anti-malware signature files to download. Don't be alarmed if you see warnings in the next few minutes. Nothing to freak out about. This is just the software getting the most up-to-date information on the malware that's out there, all to better protect you. Once those updates are complete, you'll be prompted with the security dashboard. The Total Defense software installation will be complete, and you are good to go. Now you can surf the web worry-free. We've got you totally covered.